There are a lot of indicators out there, and in this video I'm going to show you an indicator that I use every single day and has proven to be worthy of my time. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Let's jump into the video. So the indicator is called the end of day close, and as you can see here, it is just where the day ends during the day. Now, what I want to explain in this video is, number one, the significance of the close. Number two is, how to use this indicator to help you in terms of realigning your bias of the day you're trading and possibly even the week. Alright, subscribe if you're new to the channel and let's jump into the video. Now, you have to understand one thing, and this is crucial. The market, we want to see price breaking highs or price breaking lows. This is how the market moves. Now, we are not interested in the sideways movement. These are the two movements that we see. And another thing is understanding how a candle looks like. We have the open, we have the high, we have the low, we have the close. So we are interested in this part. Now, if you think about this, there are two scenarios. We either have a trend or a reversal. Now, a trend is when price creates a higher high, breaks that higher high, and closes outside of that range, closing outside of that high. This is a trend, a clear trend. And if you draw a line at the higher high, at this high, draw a line on that high. The close of that candle, assuming it's a candle, the close of that candle is outside of the previous high. That is something you need to keep in mind, because that is what we will be using all over today in this video. Now, why is the close important? It is important because the close will tell you the bias of the next day. So we are either looking for a trend continuation the next day or a reversal. And this is an equation I like using. If we have a breakout, that equals trend. If we have a failed breakout, that equals a reversal. Simple. So breakout, trend, failed breakout, reversal. I'll show you what a breakout is. So assuming that is a higher high, or that is a high, when price breaks out and closes outside of the range, that is a breakout. Meaning the next day we are looking to continue with the trend. If we break out and close back inside of that high, then the next day look for a reversal. Now, let's look at the process of applying this indicator. Monday, you have to always think about Monday setting the initial high and the initial low. So we want to see either a breakout at the high of Monday, or we want to see a failed breakout. What I usually like to observe, or what I'm usually looking for, is a failed breakout. This is the easiest to identify. So if that is the high of Monday, what I like to see is on Tuesday, price to break out and then close back inside of the range. So if I see this on Tuesday, then I know on Wednesday we are going to go down. Now, you have to keep in mind that we also have a low somewhere here. So on Wednesday, price might go low, and then on Thursday, price might continue lower and then fail at the low. We have another failed breakout at the low. Then again, the bias changes, we start buying up again up to the high of the week. It's simple as that. That is how this indicator is used. Now let us look at a real life example and how you can follow along using this indicator. Let's use last week because we are only on Tuesday this week. We have very little information to work with. Now, this is last week, sets the high and the low of the week on Monday. On Tuesday, price breaks out and closes outside. Now, look at the close. This is the close. So if you look at the close and you look at the low, we have this gap. This means price closes outside of that range, meaning this is a breakout. So I would be looking to continue with the trend on Tuesday. Now, once we already know our thesis in mind, Tuesday we are selling high. Then I come back to Monday. This is Tuesday. Now Tuesday sets the low of the week. And I'm looking at how does Wednesday, because I'm selling on Wednesday, but I'm also interested in how does Wednesday close with respect to Tuesday's low, because Tuesday is the low of the week. And if you look at that, then we have a failed breakout. Price closes back inside of the low, meaning on Thursday. So on Wednesday I was selling. On Thursday my thesis has changed. Now I'm buying. So I am buying low, and this being the high of the week, I am continuing to buy. So on Thursday I'm buying, and then on Friday I'm still buying because there is no price action telling me to stop buying. Because keep in mind, for me to stop buying, I must see price either break out of the high of the week and close back inside of the range, or price breaks out of the low and closes outside of the range. Then I start selling because now the thesis has changed. So I am buying on Friday and coming to the screen again on Monday. This is now the low of the week. So every time a day closes, we redraw the high and the low if price did extend the range. So on Monday, I'm still looking to buy low. And even today on Tuesday, I'm still looking for an opportunity to buy low. Now, we have a breakout at the low. That is not a big deal because I will only get a thesis. I already have a thesis on Tuesday. We are buying low. So meaning, for me to have a thesis on Wednesday, I must look at how did Tuesday close in relation to the high of the week. Now remember, we are on Monday, so Monday sets the new high and the new low of the week. How does Monday close in relation to Tuesday closes with relation to Monday's high. So if we close outside of Monday's low, then I'll start selling. But if this becomes a failed breakout and we close inside, so all this price breaks out like that but comes and closes somewhere around here, then on Wednesday I would be looking to start buying. And if Wednesday fails, so breaks out and closes back inside of the range, then I start selling. So that is how important the end of day close is in terms of identifying your bias. If you have a bias, then it's just for you to find a way to find the best price to get in, or the best place to get your buys or sells. Anyway, if this video was helpful, there's a link in the description where I offer a free mentorship program. Check it out and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.